Sediment is mineral deposits, rust, and small debris that settles in your water lines over time, and cleaning it is a key part of home maintenance. This buildup is a common cause of plumbing issues. It can restrict water flow, leading to frustratingly low water pressure. You might see it as sputtering faucets, slow-filling appliances like washing machines, and even discolored water coming from your taps. The sediment can also clog and damage delicate parts inside your fixtures and appliances, leading to costly repairs. Cleaning this sediment out is a straightforward maintenance task that can restore your water pressure and protect your plumbing system. To begin, you must prepare your system properly. First, locate and shut off the main water valve to your house. This stops any new water from entering the lines while you work. Next, it is critical to turn off the power or gas supply to your water heater. Flushing lines with the heater on can expose the heating elements to air, causing them to burn out and fail. With the water and heater off, you can start the flushing process for the cold water lines. Go through your house and open every cold water faucet completely. Start at the lowest point in your home, which might be a basement sink or an outdoor spigot, and work your way up to the highest faucet on the top floor. This creates a clear path for the water and sediment to exit. Now, return to your main water valve. Turn it on fully for about 10 to 15 seconds, then shut it off quickly. This powerful burst of water acts like a shockwave, breaking loose the stubborn sediment clinging to the inside of the pipes. Wait a minute for the water to settle and drain, then repeat this on and off burst process 4 or 5 more times. After the final burst, turn the main water supply on all the way and let it run. You will likely see cloudy, discolored water coming out of the open faucets. Let the water run continuously until it is perfectly clear at every faucet, which could take up to 15 minutes. Once the water is clear, begin closing the faucets, starting from the highest floor and ending at the lowest. Now, you will repeat a similar process for the hot water lines, starting with the water heater itself. Attach a garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom of the water heater tank. Run the other end of the hose to a floor drain or outside where it can drain safely. Open the drain valve and let the tank flush out. The water coming out will probably be full of sediment that has settled at the bottom of the tank. Let it drain until the water runs clear, then close the valve and remove the hose. Next, open all the hot water taps in your house. Go back to the water heater and turn on its cold water inlet valve. This will force fresh water into the tank and push the remaining air and sediment out through the open hot water faucets. Let them run until you have a steady, clear stream of water with no sputtering air. Then, close the hot water taps, again starting from the highest one. The final step is crucial for your fixtures. All that dislodged sediment has been pushed through your system, and much of it will be caught in your faucet aerators and showerheads. You must unscrew each one, rinse the small screens thoroughly to remove any grit, and then screw them back on. Once everything is reassembled, you can safely turn the power or gas back onto your water heater. For future prevention, consider installing a whole house sediment filter near your main water supply. Thank you for watching. For more helpful home maintenance guides, please subscribe to our channel.